Hello, everyone. This is a guide on how to export to add real life maps to Minecraft. Let's get started. So first, you need World Painter, which is this. To get World Painter, you need to go to worldpainter.net. Then if you have Windows or Mac or Linux, doesn't really matter. For Java, you have to download this first, then you can download this. And then then you have to get a height map of the real world. I use Tangram Heightmapper. You can choose auto exposure, which is just that. Or you could just, actually no, that wasn't auto exposure, silly me. Anyway, yeah. So, for this round, I want, let's say I want a map of, Japan, maybe. Anyway, maybe we'll do Mount Fuji. Anyway, you gotta take a new screenshot, and then that's your screenshot. Now you go to File Explorer because your screenshot is going to be in your screenshots folder, probably, allegedly. Anyway, to make it easier to find, you have to rename the screenshot. I'm just renaming it to the traditional way, Fujiyama. And then go to World Painter, go to File, Import New World from Heightmap, and then we select Fujiyama.png, and then here we are. You can basically change the scale, change the build limit. Of course, anyway, now we decrease the water level to, not actually. Here we go. Here's our map. But yep. For this, I'm just going to, for terrain, you can just do normal, the default grass, or you could do other stuff such as mesa, or here's my favorite, beaches. A wide variety of terrain. I don't know what that sound was. Anyway, best just to keep it a grass, and then click OK, and then there it is. If you want to trim it, you can do that. Hold on. Okay, there you go. Remember, it's only applied after, when you export the map. I'm just gonna cover in items here. This is the forest. That's it. And now, just add a little extra touch. You add some lava. Hopefully that doesn't do any crazy things. Because if you do something like this, the whole world turned into lava. You don't want that. Oop. Never mind. Okay. Yep. And now, this is, if you click Control 3, you can toggle 3D view. This sometimes can happen, but honestly, it's not that bad. Actually makes it look more fantasy, but don't be bothered by this. Anyway, that's how you build a map. Now, you click File. We save world. And then we export as a new Minecraft map. I want it creative mode, no chest of goodies, and yeah, keep it peaceful. And then border void, so then we don't see any other stuff. And yeah, that's how you export. You can test export in. Oh no, wait. I almost forgot a very important step. If you want your trees and stuff to show up, you click populate, pen tool, and then you paint it over your entire world. And then now we save. That's really inappropriate then. Nice. Sorry. And yep, now that we've got it saved and we've added a very important bit, now I export as a new map. You of course toggle void and underground material stone mix, and then we export. There we go. It takes a while. I'll see you back at the world when it's done. Usually this sort of thing does happen, but you just have to click this. And yeah, that is how you make your real life locations in Minecraft. Anyway, now bye.